So today we'll see technical drawing app. Now in this app, first we'll see ICSE related stuff. So if you see in store section, we have ICSE book, which is for 9th and 10th standard, right? Then we have ICSE board papers. If you see, last 5 years board papers are solved. Apart from that, if you see study material, in that we have question answer format from 1982 to 2013, all ICSE board papers topic wise. Then we have ICSE board papers from 2005 to 14. If you see all the papers are solved from 2005 to 14, right? Now how to download this app? So to download this app, if you have an iOS, then you download My Institute and put org code as TD, and if it is Google Android, then you type technical drawing and you will get this app.